Jamaica, we're tired of it. We can't take it no more. Why? Why our women are being abused and murdered for what God has given to them? Why some men believe that women are their property? Women are not your property. Women are supposed to be your partners. And if she's giving trouble or you can't take one, walk. Leave. Why you believe you're supposed to kill the woman? Give me a reason now. When I was a child, the man of the yard, the owner, the leader, the priest, him take him machete and put it under him bed for protect all of it in the house from intruder in the night. And guess what? Today, you can't even, you don't even want to see a machete or a knife in the house. Because the man of the yard are going to use it inside of the house for everybody. Where we get this thing from? You have a disagreement and you want to kill. Huh? Where is the emotional intelligence? Where is the softer side? Where is the ability to sit down and reason and work things out? Everything, I kill. No, man. This thing for stop, man. It must stop, man. It no nice. For no say, as somebody you trust. Somebody your family trust. Somebody everybody in the community trust. And only for come see say, when somebody lie down pan the ground and I don't know a stranger do it as somebody will claim say, my love. When an individual you know up close and personal dies or is being ill-treated in some ways, it affects not only the family of the girl, it affects the family of the person who did the wrong. It affects the community. It affects the entire country. As a matter of fact, all some of them something just run with investors. Nobody no want come home, come live and spend little money in them country and build up Jamaica. Huh? When you look at the valuable time and the money that are lost, counseling and health care, and not only that, the amount of people who left back here hurting, not only for a day or two, but for years and years and years. Come on, Jamaica. This have to stop. This have to stop somewhere. Because it is only a recurring decimal. When a child sees his mother or father I get beaten from the other partner, what do you think are going to happen? Huh? The child is going to grow up and do the same thing. Somebody has to be there to break the cycle. Somebody has to be there to say, no, man, this hurt has to stop. Look here, me not in a blame game. Me no want hear say, she take him things. Me no want hear say, him take her things. Me no want hear say, what she do him hurt. Somebody has to walk away. Somebody has to give up something. In a relationship, you buy one chain, somebody with teethy, it will last or we will bust up. Some way you lose something. So look here, you don't kill yourself because the chain bursts. No, relationships are like that. The weakest link in that the chain cause all sort of bangarang. Walk when from I talk to some people, I hear all sorts of things that they are saying. This is the reason why he may become violent. The person is insecure. He probably has no regard for others, no trust in the relationship because maybe he has been in one already and ray. Somebody say maybe him jealous and don't want nobody deal with the girl. Another person say, look here, the partners may not understand each other. But I say, there are counselors out there. Go get some counseling, man. Put away your bad attitude and temperament. Huh? Sometimes them say, look here, you spend all the money on the girl, and as soon as I fall in a little difficulties, she a guani. Come on, man. That no mean say you have to kill the person. And I truly believe that if someone follow the guidelines of God, and look how many times we hurt God. Suppose each time we hurt him just kill we and done away with we. We wouldn't have an opportunity to say, God, me I beg you, forgive me of my sins. Because you'd have done dead already. You know that things happen and you may feel hurt. And you hurt others too. And them don't kill you. Me I talk to both man and woman. You stop the foolishness, man. Because a man alone a kill woman. You might do it too. You tap him, man. Jamaica, we tired of it. And sometimes when our expectations are not met in a relationship, it becomes abusive. Emotionally and physically. Come on. Chill. Go somewhere better. Do better. Be better.